Hello, welcome to Manniello Method. Today we will eat some whole grain rice with ratatouille. So this is my recipes to do ratatouille. Very easy, in a few minutes everything is done. Some olive oil here. And I will add onions, eggplants, zucchini and pepperoni, everything together. Okay, so some salt, and here Provençal herbs, and I will add some rosemary olive oil, just one drop. And I have also here marjoram, is very good also, marjoram to add, and also here I have basil. And with these essential oils from Young Living, your dishes will get more flavor, more aromatic, and I like to cover the food, and it's more easy and more quickly. So it takes a few minutes, only a few minutes. You don't have to cook too much. So, and in the meantime, I will add also some tomatoes. Very easy. So you don't have to burn vegetables, please. Okay, it's very important not to burn the food. Okay, and now we let cook 3-4 minutes, and I come back. Okay, now we can see that the tomatoes, they are cooked, so also the other vegetables, they are cooked. And I have prepared here my whole grain rice, and I will add my ratatouille in the middle. As you can see, this all different colors. Oh my god, this is very good, very healthy, and it takes only a few minutes to prepare that. So we don't have to have a lot of things to do. So here with basil, as you can see, it's very easy to do. It's a whole grain rice with ratatouille. 5 minutes to prepare, and it's healthy. As you can see, with Manniello Method, it's easy to cook. So see you next time. Bye.